Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2021 Sea Ray 21 SPX Outboard. The outside hull color is new for 2021. It's Lagoon Blue. This particular boat is powered by a Mercury 150 4-stroke. We have sea deck on the swim platform with a ski tow bar, 12-volt plug for your phone, walk-through transom, backrest, and also plenty of storage with the outboard model. This does have the lighting package with a cup holders, another storage compartment. Coming into the boat, you'll see L-shaped seating along the transom, removable beach cooler, a flip-flop seat here on the port side. Here at the helm, you're going to see helm seat with flip-up bolster, digital depth gauge, fusion stereo with Bluetooth. Over here on the port side, you've got a very spacious storage compartment, lockable glove box. Up here in the bow, you'll see very spacious seating as well. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2021 Sea Ray 21 SPX Outboard. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.